How are you doing, folks? James Farr here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 171 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this carbon black metallic paint finish with the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the massive M Sport front bumper, the front parking sensors, the BMW LED headlights. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging, the black trim surrounding the windows with the privacy glass in the rear, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the twin exhausts, the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree parking view. The rear spoiler. This car is also fitted with the automatic trunk. Just a simple click the key fob and she'll pop right open. Let's take a look inside at the interior and some of the spec on board this 520D. Now that we're inside, you can see the fully digital cockpit, the multifunctional BMW paddle shift M Sport steering wheel, the BMW teleservice fully touchscreen. It has features such as enhanced Bluetooth, media and radio, sat-nav navigation, communication, connective drive, my vehicle and many more. You can also use the BMW iDrive system to quickly access such features as sat-nav navigation, media and many other extras. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a grey piped stitching alongside a dark oak wood trim, surrounding it with customizable ambient lighting. You can choose from a range of different colours. Right now it's in green. Fully electric windows, electric mirrors. You have the upgraded sound system, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, the keyless push button start ignition, the BMW pedestrian safety system, heated seats ideal for these cold crisp Irish mornings. You have the automatic transmission, the automatic hold, the electric e-brake, the 360-degree parking sensors. This car is also fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and Eco Pro mode. You have the BMW SOS service system. Now folks, that was just a quick look around some of the spec on board this 171 BMW 5 Series 520D M Sport Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much. My name is James Farr and I hope you enjoyed this video.